So here they are, the 2 Alaskan sourdough loaves. They came out really nice. They've got a crispy crust, hollow sound. Nice design on the outside. They're about 850 gram loaves. Okay, we're going to go ahead and slice it open. That's a pretty nice looking crumb. Yes, I do need a new knife. Everybody's told me that. I had a real sharp one and I lost it when I moved. You know what happens when you move. So there's the crumb. Nice open, holy, really soft, tender crumb. Thank you so much for joining me with this sourdough class. This was the Alaskan sourdough. We baked up 2 loaves at 66% hydration, and they were approximately 850 gram loaves apiece.